Dynamic sequences, currently in beta, is HubSpot's latest product feature, designed to help you nurture leads with personalized automated emails and prioritize only those contacts who engage with your emails. So, if you want to create a dynamic sequence, you have to navigate to automations, and from here on sequences. Then you click on create sequences, and as you can see, you have a new feature over here that says create a dynamic sequence. We'll select that and let's go ahead. Now, the first step is automated outreach. Click automated email to set up your initial email, and you can add up to three automated emails to warm up your lead. So I'm going to start adding some emails that I already have. On the next step, I can either reply to that email or I can add an existing thread. Another email, my bad. I can add a delay of however many days I would prefer. I'll let it stick to 1 day for now. Another automated email, this time, how about I just reply to the email we sent at step 2. And again, you can add up to 3 automated emails over here. Now, here's the cool part. Once a contact opens or clicks an email, the sequence will immediately switch to create manual tasks. You can see on top over here, the unenrolled criteria is set to, by default, either they reply to an email or they book a meeting with a scheduling link. So here is the rep-led outreach, where you can set manual tasks for yourself. And once you have set this all up, you want to go to settings. You can adjust email send times, task creation. This ensures your follow-up actions are always timely. Now, whenever you're done with this, you're going to want to click save. Well, I've not completed the steps yet. So once you're done with it, you're going to want to click save, and to monitor performance, you will click on the performance tab, and you'll get insights into metrics like open rates, clicks, replies, meetings booked, and deals created. You can filter this data by user, company, or status, so you know exactly how your efforts are paying off. And that's it. With dynamic sequences, you're automating outreach and focusing your energy only on leads that show real interest. About who gets it. So this update is available for sales and service, pro and enterprise users, and it is also available on customer platforms, professional and enterprise. And thank you for watching.